Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Mr. One2 from Challenge Accepted, and today we got a very big package that I've been waiting for, that I can't wait to show you guys. And there's going to be a follow-up video of us using this thing. So, let's check out what this is. We got some power cords. We got the carrying pack. I don't think there's anything inside. We'll check. Nothing inside. Very nice package. But, before we reveal that one, we got the liner for the inside. We got a Woojer. And this one here is the vest style. They got two different styles. They got the strap or the vest. But if you look at it, it's actually really nice packaging. Good job on it. Got all these stickers. That's there. What is going on here? Why is this not opening? There we go. See? And we got another box, but take the cover off. Look at that. Okay. Whoa, player. Born to Feel. Look at that. Very nice. Nice vest there, the control system. Unzip this. So these here are their devices, and then there's one right here, another one here, another one here, another one here. Alright? Yeah, so this connects to your headphones or your smart TV, and it allows you to feel all the sounds that come through instead of just listening to it. So you actually feel it. So with all these little, like, I want to call them, if you're a video game player, they're like a rumble pack. So these are highly sensitive rumble packs that pick up, I think, as low as 200 hertz. But yes, you're supposed to be able to feel all the sounds that come through your headphones. So you connect it, one you Bluetooth it or direct connect to the source, so you can connect it to your phone. And then there's another cable that comes up, which is why I got this one, right? And so that one goes to your source, and then this one can go to your regular headphone jack, connects to this. So then that way you can hear it and feel it. And if you have a smart TV, then you can just Bluetooth it to your smart TV and Bluetooth your head speakers. And then you can hear it and feel it. I'm gonna sneeze. But yes, let's try this thing on. I have to charge it for 3 hours though, so for the first use. So that's why I can't show you how it feels right yet. So I'll probably have to do a bunch of adjustments because it's not sitting properly, I find. Let's see. Right there, loosen that up. How did that get all twisted around? There we go. Awesome. Now, once I untighten this, yeah, that's basically what it looks like, right? And then you adjust your volume here and your sensitivity here, and then you should be good to go. And then you'll be able to feel all the sound coming through the vest and on your back and that. So I heard some really good reviews on it, so once I get this thing all charged up and ready to go, I'll make another video of me testing it out for the first time, and then I'll get a couple other people that I know to try testing it out. So that is this video for now. Stay tuned to when I actually get to test the product out. Hopefully you enjoy it. It's been a very crazy week. I got my whole house packed up. Got this big sea can sitting in my yard. I got like 1 or 2 days left to get out of my house, so that's why it's been hectic and I haven't been able to get some videos up for you guys. So sorry for that, but we are trying to get some videos out for you. I'm supposed to meet up with LDT tomorrow, so hopefully we can get some stuff created for you. Anyways, stay tuned and look forward to seeing how this contraption works. Bye.